The team celebrated the victory passionately after the match. Celebrated. This is simple past. The victory was celebrated passionately by the team after the match. When? After the match time frame. Let us look at some examples. Now over here we don't have anything ing, like closing is not there or has closed is not there. It is very important to point that out first. So the watchman closed the gate. This is simple past, will become the gate was closed by the watchman. So how did we make it past? Past has to remain past. Closed was closed. The watchman closes the gate. Simple present. Gate is closed. Simple present. This is is. That's why it is simple present. Without using is being closed or has been closed. No, that we cannot use in simple tense at all. The watchman will close the gate. Simple future. The gate will be closed by the watchman. That's it. Now let us look at some examples. Tina teaches English. I'm not giving Tina is teaching English or Tina has taught English. No, it is simple. So English is taught by Tina. We don't change the tense. Teaches is present. That is why English was taught. You cannot write. English is taught by Tina. He keeps the money in the locker. Present. The money is kept in the locker by him. Present. Present. He will invite his mother for that event. His mother will be invited for that event by him. Future, future. She will make mistakes. Come on, what tense is this? Will make. Simple future. Mistakes will be made by her. He played football. Very careful. Played. Football was played by him. Very easy. This is the easiest of all. Now here there are some advanced kind of sentences. Okay, let us try that. Everyone in the class respects the teacher's decision. First, let us come to a point where you don't have has, had, have. You don't have respecting also. It's only respects. Simple present. The teacher's decisions are respected by everyone in the class. I have maintained the tense. Respects, decisions are respected. The minute you put are, your job of keeping it in the same tense is done. Don't bother about this is respected, this is past and no. Are is here, no? So you have done your job of maintaining the simple tense, simple present tense. The panel will announce the results next week. Now in the previous video, I told you whenever there is this kind of a time frame, you put that in the end. The panel will announce. Okay, this is future. The results will be announced by the panel next week. Don't write this. The results will be announced next week by the panel. No, this next week, because it's a kind of a time frame, has to come in the end. The team celebrated the victory passionately after the match. Celebrated. This is simple past. The victory was celebrated passionately by the team after the match. When? After the match time frame. She gave me a box of chocolate. Gave, simple past. A box of chocolate was given to me by her. Okay, there are two ways in which you can write this, because I told you that this is subject, verb and object. Object can either be a pronoun or it can also be a noun. Over here we have both. So look at two options. I was given a box of chocolate by her. I have maintained the tense. A box of chocolate. There has to be chocolates here, okay. A box of chocolates was given to me by her. There's only one box, so we are going to put was. All of my friends admire her. She is admired by all of my friends. Admire is present, so is admired, we keep it present. Okay, now these are passive sentences, guys. These are passive. Now we make it active. Let us try. Again, just maintain the tense. Don't change the tense. French is taught to us by him. Present. He teaches us French. Present, present. Don't look at this taught and think it is past. is taught makes it present. He is loved by everyone. Everyone loves him. I was told to keep quiet by her. I was told. This is past. She told me to keep quiet. Tell, told. Food will be arranged by the event organizers. The event organizers will arrange the food. Tense will be will. Cricket is played by him. Try this one. He plays cricket. Plays why? Plays because this is present. Thank you so much for watching. I will put up the next video of this series very soon. Bye bye.